Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. My favorite makeup today is this. This is my YSL Rouge Volupte Shine in the number 49. It's this beautiful pink color. It's very soft and gliding on your lips. It feels really lovely. When it does dry down, my lips are still pink, even if it's not shiny anymore. It also smells delicious. Apparently it's got like a mango scent to it. I have another mini at home of the same color, but I would definitely probably purchase a full size of this when we get to like a VIB sale, because this is a little pricey, but I really do love this formula. I think this is a great lip product. And now on to the video. So for today's video, we're doing another palette pals. I know these might be a little boring for some people, but for me, I haven't been really feeling a lot of the new makeup releases, so there's been nothing worth picking up and trying out. As soon as something comes up that I really want, I'm definitely going to show it here, but you know, I've just been swatching stuff in stores and just no luck. So instead, we're going to just keep working through the makeup that is currently with me on my trip. So I'm going to put these two palettes together today. And that is the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette, Kaleidoscope Dream, and the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. So for me, my Heavy Metals palette, I depotted this with a screwdriver and a lot of time so I could actually use this and take it with me traveling. So it's a lot easier to carry around this way. But I haven't really been using it at all. So today I really want to get into some of the colors I haven't even touched yet. So let's get started. So today I'm really sort of feeling like a green grungy look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with this Taijin shade, this orange matte. I'm gonna put that across my lid, and then I'm really thinking of using like this Lime Time shade out of the Kristen Leanne. And then if we're looking over here at this palette, I really want to get into this mullet shade down here. I think that would look really beautiful. And you know, and I'll pick something else at some point, but that's really what I want to try. I haven't touched that shade yet. I haven't used it at all, and now is the time. There's a little Rogue shimmer on my eyes from earlier makeup today, and I'm not mad at it because I'm going to end up looking shimmery anyway, so I'm not going to a great deal of trouble to take it off. It's kind of just like a gold glitter pressed that didn't quite come off. And at least as of the filming of this video, this Kristen Leanne palette is still on sale, and you can still pick it up if you are so inclined. It's 50% off at Ulta and Sephora, and I really like it. I think it's a good palette. I am planning when I get home to depot it and put it in a smaller palette because frankly, look, there's so much space here. You could take these two shades here, put them on the side, and cut like 2 inches off of this palette. Like it could be this much smaller, and I would like it way better that way. I do like the big mirror, not gonna lie, but it's not worth the trouble. Now I think I'm gonna go for this Scream shade, which is down here. It's sort of like it's got a bit of a coppery to it, but it's also a little bit lighter. So I am gonna try to take that across the lid a bit. I wanna concentrate the green, I think, in the center. So we're gonna see how this looks. Oh yeah, that's a nice copper right there. That applies very nicely actually, and pretty evenly without being patchy, so definitely am enjoying that. And now I'm going to go in a little bit with this mullet shade. I want to put this in the center of my eye and see what that looks like. I'm not sure what the pigmentation on this is, because again, I haven't tried this color at all. But what I'm looking for is to sort of have like a green with a gradation, but I want to be very shimmery overall. Alright, so mullet's not quite as dark as I'd want, so I'm going to do a little bit more with my finger on that one, and then I'm going to come back in with a different shade from Kristen Leanne to just sort of add a little more green. This doesn't stay as green on the eyes as I would have hoped it would. Like, I just feel like it's sort of... I'm not saying it's not a pretty color. It is a pretty color, but I'm expecting more opacity from this, and I feel like the green is sort of blending away. I think that's about as much buildup as I'm going to get. So now I'm going to go back to Kristen Leanne. I'm going to take this Lime Time shade, and I'm going to run that along my lash line. Sadly, I'm getting some pretty terrible fallout from mullet, so I need to do a little bit of cleanup. I'll be right back. And this is my finished eye look. So ultimately, I wasn't impressed with the performance of the mullet shade. It definitely had fallout. It moved down, and it made me look like I had gotten bruised under my eyes. The Lime Time shade looks fine. I like enjoy it fine. That wasn't giving me any fallout. It's definitely the Heavy Metals that are doing it. Unfortunately, this look didn't turn out quite the way I would have liked. The green is not intense enough for me. It's just not doing it. So I'm a little disappointed about this one. I do think that the palettes do pair well okay. I just don't think some of the shadows are performing the way I would prefer them to do. So I'll just have to try it again with some other shades. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please subscribe. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you all soon. Bye!